Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical sim racing button box, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Sim Racing Button Box, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sim racing button box from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Auxbeam 6 Gang Sim Racing Button Box. Introducing the Auxbeam 6 Gang Sim Racing Button Box, a compact and powerful control panel designed to enhance your sim racing setup. With a maximum power rating of 720 watt and 60 amps, this button box offers a seamless solution for controlling your vehicle's lighting, accessories, and electronics. The automatic dimmable backlight adjusts based on ambient lighting, ensuring clear visibility and safety during racing sessions. Installation is easy with a plug-and-play wiring harness and customizable labels, allowing you to tailor the panel to your exact preferences. Its compact size 3.7-inch into 2.6-inch makes it versatile for any dashboard or console. This robust and reliable button box is perfect for truck, boat, off-road, or any high-performance racing setup. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Auxbeam 6 Gang Switch panel is the perfect addition to take control of your accessories with ease. Number 2. Auxpower Bluetooth RGB 8 Gang Sim Racing Button Box. Introducing the Auxpower Bluetooth RGB 8 Gang Sim Racing Button Box, a versatile and high-performance control panel for sim racing enthusiasts. Featuring Bluetooth app control, this switch panel allows seamless connection to multiple devices with over 200 customizable icons, enhancing convenience and control. The panel offers 3 lighting modes: toggle, momentary, pulsed for various functions, along with an RGB mode for personalized color settings to match your racing rig. Equipped with an auto-dimmable function, the box adjusts its brightness based on the environment, ensuring optimal visibility during intense races. With a robust 60-amp current rating and 24-volt operating voltage, this alloy steel panel is designed for durability and reliability. Its universal fit and easy installation make it suitable for any vehicle setup, providing a sleek, functional addition to your sim racing experience. Enjoy the ultimate control and customization with the Auxpower Bluetooth RGB 8 Gang Button Box. Number 3. Sim Panel R Sim Racing Button Box. Introducing the Sim Panel R Sim Racing Button Box, the ultimate control hub for sim racing enthusiasts. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel push buttons and components, this button box is built for precision and durability. Its customizable backlighting allows you to adjust on the fly, offering a fully immersive experience tailored to your racing style. The true-to-life push-button ignition adds a touch of realism, while the fully programmable buttons support multiple operating modes: standard, toggle, and latching for versatility in any race. Designed with integrated desk clamps and compatibility for standard 100mm VESA mounting brackets, installation is easy and secure. Labels are specifically crafted with irising and Assetto Corsa competitors in mind, making this button box perfect for competitive sim racers. Elevate your racing experience with the Sim Panel R Sim Racing Button Box, offering superior control and customization for all your virtual racing needs. Number 4. Nilight 8 Gang Switch Sim Racing Button Box. Introducing the Nilight 8 Gang Switch Sim Racing Button Box, the ultimate solution for managing your vehicle's electrical accessories with ease and style. This advanced switch panel system operates on 12 to 24 DC volt and can control up to 8 different accessories, providing a clean and organized wiring harness. With a maximum output power rating of 1,200 watts, it's perfect for various vehicles, including SUVs, RVs, trucks, and boats. The panel is equipped with an 80-amp circuit breaker and high-power solid-state relays for enhanced safety, offering thermal, overload, and overvoltage protection. Its automatic dimmable backlighting adjusts to your environment, ensuring optimal visibility without distraction. Installation is a breeze, as it comes with all necessary hardware, including blade fuses and reusable labels, allowing you to customize your setup effortlessly. Elevate your racing experience and simplify your controls with the Nilight 8 Gang Switch Sim Racing Button Box. Number 5. MICTUNING 12 Gang Sim Racing Button Box. Introducing the MICTUNING 12-gang sim racing button box, the ultimate solution for controlling your vehicle's accessories with precision and ease. This all-in-one auxiliary switch panel features upgraded silicone buttons that allow for blind operation and enhanced tactile feedback. With 3 lighting modes, constant light, momentary, and strobe, you can customize your experience to fit your needs. The panel is designed for convenience, offering 2 power connection options, from the battery or the ACC. With a 5-level dimmable function, the backlighting adjusts to provide optimal visibility without glare, making it perfect for day or night driving. This robust switch panel has a larger design for improved stability, rated at 80A and capable of handling up to 1920 watt at 24 volt. The durable aluminum alloy housing and IP65 waterproof rating ensure long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze, with included mounting brackets and 140 labeling stickers for a neat setup. Experience superior control with the MICTUNING 12-gang button box. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.